westbound Keith from Ethan. Westbound Keith from Ethan.
Keith from Ethan.
I think we just went north on Surrey. SAC S10, unsuccessful pit. We're going to be Bowling Green approaching Ethan.
Approaching Ethan, attempt to pit.
Just blew the stop sign at Ethan. We're coming up on a dead end. We're Bowling Green east of Ethan, coming up on a dead end.
Can I have you approaching a dead end?
One's overhead.
SAC S10, you just ran my patrol car. I think I'm going to be dead in the water.
Can I copy you rammed your patrol car? There's my one. You saw the visual?
Zach, can you go page 20, come out on this thing also?
SAC S10, I'm going to try to stay with it, but I don't know if I can.
It said that his patrol car's dead in the water, so if he did it, could be or not.
SAC S10, SO's probably going to have primary on this thing right now.
Then SO will be primary. We do have air overhead.
SAC S10, I'm going to be fourth back in this thing. He's ran my patrol car. I think he hit a SO car as well.
I said a copy of random patrol car and an SO car. S10, can you provide a 1020?
We're Surrey at Edwin. Surrey at Edwin.
Surrey at Edwin.
First bill, look at your color, flip out.
Bowling Green. Have you provided an update on the 1020?
Damn it.
And confirm that vehicle still rolling?
Back in the stop. Oh, he's going to
Sorry about the SO.
Everybody SO.